Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm cooking an omelette from France. It's called the Soufflé Omelette de la Mère Poulard. It's an omelette invented by a husband and wife team in the late 1800s in Normandy in France. They had a restaurant there and they wanted something quick and easy for the tourists to eat when they came along, and so they developed this lovely dish. Traditionally made in a copper bowl with a balloon whisk and lots of hard work. I'm going to try and replicate it today by cooking it in a stand mixer. I've done it before and it really does take a lot of the hard work out of it, and it tastes very nice. So follow along, it's just a few ingredients and I'll show you how to do it. See you in a moment. We put 3 eggs into the stand mixer and then turn it on, and first of all turn it on slowly, otherwise you get splash full of eggs, and then just gradually increase the speed up to the maximum, and then you just let this go for a few minutes and it beats away, and you'll soon see when it gets to the stage that you want. As you watch it, you'll see that it gradually gets thicker and thicker, and it also changes colour, and that's an indication that you're getting to the correct stage to cook your omelette. And turn it down, have a look, and just have a look and see what it's like there. It just needs a little bit more, and then we come up to the stage that we want. There you can see that it's very thick and creamy, and that is what is actually called the ribbon stage. Turn off your mixer, have a look, and you can see it's just falling off of the whisk. And now put this into a preheated pan, and there's a little bit of olive oil in there just to avoid any sticking, and gently pour the omelette mix into the pan. The pan's not too hot, it's on a medium heat, and then just gently put this in. You don't have long to do this because otherwise it will go flat. There's a little bit of butter on the side there, ready just to pop along the edge of the mixture as it's cooking, just so that it goes under the omelette as well. Quite a heavy pan that I'm using here. You don't want anything too lightweight. Just gently move it about. Don't be too aggressive with it, otherwise you'll spoil the shape of the omelette. And then you just leave it on the heat and it will just gently bubble away. Put little bits of butter around the edge and that will sink down underneath the mix. And there you can see it's got a nice wobble on it. Just test the edges, just pull it up a little bit and you'll see whether it's cooked or not, and then empty it out onto your dish. Hello, welcome back. Here we are, the magnificent soufflé omelette that I've done the easy way. It looks very nice, and as I say, I've cooked this before and it does taste good. And I've served this up with some smoked salmon, some tomatoes, and I'm going to enjoy this for breakfast. Thank you for watching. Join me again for the next video. See you soon. Bye.